is working on a new app for the US market, only for the US market, to comply with the country's legislation requiring it to either sell the business in US or face a ban. The new app is going to be released on September 5th, and US TikTok users will have time to switch into the new app for the time being. The old app will continue in the US till next March. It will be removed from the US App Store as soon as the new ones get launched. If things pan out, there will be plenty of notices in the existing app telling users to switch it before the deadline comes. It's unclear how it's connected to the US government's repeated threats to ban TikTok unless it's sold. The report says there's a connection, but that does not go into any more details. US President Trump has announced a group of very wealthy people is looking to buy TikTok's US operation from ByteDance, the Chinese company which owns the platform. But they don't know who the people are. But Trump promised that they will change later this month. The deal will need approval from the Chinese government as ByteDance is based over there.